Hey, what's up guys? So I wanted to show you a really cool feature of the Smart PWM V3. Now, these little voltmeters, mini voltmeters, they come pretty well calibrated, but sometimes you need to tweak it to get it just right so it's not jumpy and it actually reads the correct voltage. Now, the first way to do that would be to adjust the actual pot on the back to calibrate the voltmeter itself. But what we can actually do with the Smart PWM V3 is bias the signal one way or the other that the voltmeter reads, right, to compensate for that error. And we already know values that it's supposed to read, so it makes it pretty easy. Now, it can take a little bit of trial and error, but it works really well. So I want to show you. See, that shouldn't be jumpy. That should just say 5. And we're actually going to take this out real quick. So the first thing that you should see when you plug your batteries in for a 2S setup like this would be 2.0. It shouldn't be jumpy or anything like that. That's the first indication. So we'll see what we have here. Okay, you see it says 1.9. We already know it's supposed to say 2.0. Now we can see this is jumpy. And then if we check the battery gauge, well, okay, see, that's jumpy as well. So what we need to do, we need to bias it upwards just a tiny bit. And this also works with a pot and voltmeter setup both ways on the newer firmware versions. So the first thing you're going to want to do is lock it. 4 clicks. Okay, so it's locked. Now you want to click it 9 times. There's 9. Now we can go down this way, or we can go up this way. Now each click is about 0.0125 volts. So it can take quite a few clicks. You have quite a bit of range here, and this is kind of where the trial and error comes in, because you can see it says 5 there, but it still might be a little low and jumpy. So we're gonna click this about how many times? 4 clicks to confirm. Now what we'll do, we'll see how it looks now. Okay, get this out of here. Okay, here we go. 2.0. Solid, no problem. 5.0, no jumpy stuff, nothing like that. 2 clicks, 5.0, solid. So in this case, that would work great. Now, if it was still a little jumpy, you might just want to go a couple clicks farther than that. And just to recap everything, you're going to lock it with 4 clicks. You're going to click it 9 times. And then you could bias it with the switches here, and then 4 clicks to confirm, right? So you go down, up, all that. So that's about it. If you have any questions, please let me know, and hope it comes in handy. Thanks.